The Supreme Court today came down heavily on the Assam government for detaining persons identified as foreigners, and the Apex Court has directed the state government to start measures for the deportation of 63 migrants within 2 weeks. Also directed the centre to file an affidavit. In fact, the bench of the Supreme Court said, why should it not be our concern? You deport to their foreign country. Are you waiting for some Muhurat? Let's go across to Nupur now for more on this. And Nupur, give us more details of this entire controversy, and what did Assam government have to say?
Well, today the Assam government informed the Supreme Court that they are awaiting confirmation on the addresses of the illegal immigrants before they are deported to their countries. However, the Supreme Court came down heavily on the Assam government and has has directed them to, in fact, it has directed them to deport these immigrants, 63 immigrants whose origin country is known. So their citizenship is known. So the Supreme Court said that they do not need to know the exact address of which country they need to be deported to. They just need to know that from which country they are coming, and they should be sent back to the capital city of that country. For example, if someone is coming from Pakistan, then they should be deported to capital city of Pakistan instead of awaiting a clear address from where they need to go. So today the Supreme Court has also asked the centre to step up and file an affidavit about what it plans to do with immigrants, illegal immigrants whose whereabouts are not known. These 63 immigrants are those whose citizenship is known, that they belong to a certain country and they should be deported. The Supreme Court today asked the centre, because Supreme Court raised the question of, the cost that is borne by the exchequer in keeping all these people in the detention centres. The Supreme Court also asked the Assam government to file an affidavit about the conditions that are and the facilities available in the detention centres. So today, Supreme Court, all in all, came down heavily on the Assam government, because earlier also the Supreme Court had sought clarification, but it was not satisfied with the response by the Assam government that they have not deported these immigrants, because they don't know the exact address in their country. So today the Supreme Court has granted some time to the Assam government to deport them and then file a clear affidavit about their deportation status.
All right. Thanks so much for joining us with all those details.